Y'all recognize that hiney? I'd know that hiney anywhere. That hiney belongs to my oldest son, Jamie. And I'm in here in the kitchen with him today. We're gonna share some family recipes with you. We've got a recipe from Brooke, we've got a recipe from Jamie, and we got a recipe from Mama. So we're gonna have fun today. Bless his little bones. He ain't got no hardly but at all.
Not hardly, or voice it today.
I know, y'all. He went to the Georgia-Alabama game.
Yes, ma'am. I did this all in the first 10 minutes of the football game. As after that, it was pretty quiet. It was still fun. Bobby and I, we don't get a chance to do things together very often, so we had an awesome
He and
weekend.
Bobby went together, and it was...
These are done. I'm gonna drain them, okay?
Okay. Y'all, we're gonna make a macaroni and cheese. This is a little different from what we serve at the Lady and Sons.
This is our version, y'all, of a tomato mac and cheese.
All right, son, I'll start melting that butter. I need for you to just dice me up a couple of tablespoons of onion, and I'm gonna put about 4 tablespoons of butter in here and get that going. We're gonna saute those onions off in this butter that we've got melting. Oh, son, I'm gonna drop your tomatoes in the pot. Couple of whole tomatoes down into boiling water, y'all, just for a minute or so. That will just help us, you know, peel them a lot easier. And we're gonna saute these onions until they're just a little bit limp.
Yeah, it's about 2 tablespoons.
Yeah, you know, and that's every recipe I do. Put more, take out less, depending on what you like. If you don't like onions, then don't put them at all.
I love the flavor of onions and tomatoes and cheese, kind of like the tomato pie that we do.
Oh, yeah, exactly. So Jack's a big fan of macaroni. Look at this face when I mention Jack's name, y'all. Look at that face.
I miss him. I left him an hour ago, and I miss him already.
Listen, I don't blame you, son. You can imagine when I have to go 2 and 3 days a week without seeing that little fella.
Mom, I'm gonna add our dry mustard. We're doing 3/4 of a tablespoon.
Okie doke. That looks about right.
And we're gonna do 1/4 of a teaspoon of paprika.
And the paprika is just gonna help give our macaroni and cheese some color.
And to this, we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of flour and some milk to kind of thicken this up.
So you can see right away that we're making a cheese sauce, aren't we, son, for our macaroni and cheese? Yesterday, I called Jamie and I said, well, let me speak to Jack, please. And Jack gets on the phone and he says, I love it to Guinea.
2 cups of milk, y'all.
And he can't say granny, and it comes out guinea. I said, yeah, like guinea pig.
or like, he's trying to learn how to say gimme, I think.
Gimme. But you know what? I'm like every other grandmother out there. You know, I don't care what they call me, as long as they call me. All right, so this will tighten up in just a minute, son. Yeah, I'm gonna take our tomatoes out and then drop them in ice water to stop that cooking, because we don't want mushy tomatoes.
I'll take one of these tomatoes.
And I'm gonna slice up our tomatoes, and look how easy that skin just slips right off those tomatoes.
It leaves you a lot more tomato to work with, too.
Sure does. You get every bite of that tomato, y'all.
But you gotta be careful not to overcook them. It doesn't take but a second.
Oh, it doesn't. It doesn't take but a pure second. So what's your brother doing today?
I'm sure he's down at the restaurant, playing famous,
Playing famous.
taking pictures, trying to explain where you are.
Now that the tomatoes are peeled, we can slice them up.
I'm gonna add a little salt to this, Mom.
Okay. All right, so that looks perfect, son. I'm gonna cut that off now. And I'm gonna throw in our cheese, our 2 cups of cheese. Oh, that looks so good. Now, I've got a prepared casserole dish back here. When I say prepared, I've sprayed it so it won't stick so badly. So, son, just add your noodles into there. And let's stir it around. All right, so son, just pour that in your casserole dish, and I'll get a spatula out to help you. get every bit of that good old cheese sauce out of there. This looks delicious. All right, so we're just gonna lay our tomatoes on there. So there we go. Doesn't that look good?
You're gonna put about 2 more cups on top of that?
Yeah, well, actually, the recipe calls, son, for 1 cup towards the end. Now, I'm gonna put just a little bit of salt on those tomatoes because they need enhancing just a little bit. And I'm gonna put just a little bit of fresh ground pepper, you know, just kind of floating around on top of those tomatoes. All right, so in the oven, son, that goes 375 for about 45 minutes. But like I said, 30 minutes may do you on it.
Let's try our mac.
Yeah, a little mac and cheese. Dig in, son.
I don't know what to try first.
I was gonna say I don't eat it, but I'm going straight for the meat.
I'm gonna try the macaroni with the tomatoes.
Oh, Jamie, that's so good. So basic. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.